The weather is so fucking beautiful. It's amazing. It's so nice to be outside hiking. Today I'm just planning to walk around, explore a little bit. Maybe I can film a little bit with my Mini 2 in these nice conditions. Why not? And I'm filming this with my Sony FDR, a great little camera. I really love it. So easy to carry around, and I never had any issues with the camera. And I think the stabilization is just great. The only downside, I think, when you're running in uneven ground with this camera, the stabilization isn't that good. Then electronic stabilization is better. But I think this looks more natural with this kind of stabilization, and it's not too much either. But it's beautiful to be outside now. It's so nice. You can see the beautiful nature here in Norway, Hatlevik. It's a nice place. I love living here. So close to everything, close to the sea. You can go and fish, and close to a lot of trails. I wish we had some more trails, but you can't get everything. And like I said, the only negative things about living in Norway, especially on the west coast, is that we have a lot more rain than many other people have. But that's the way it is. So this is beautiful. I'm going to turn the camera so you can see. Just going to do it like that. This is a trail I usually run. It's a nice little trail. It's about 3K, one round, and I usually run it a couple of times. And it's so nice that you can walk in shorts. The only negative to walk with shorts on trails like this is all the mosquitoes, and we have some other blood-sucking bugs, but I usually check myself when I get in and take them away. And it's a bunch of flies now. That's normal for this time of year too. Flying around my face all the time. But that's typical in the beginning of June. It's 1st of June in Norway now, and we finally got a taste of summer. Hopefully the summer this year will be beautiful. We can't travel overseas to other countries. We have to stick in Norway. But as long as the weather is like this, then it's absolutely amazing. You don't need to go any other places. So this is just beautiful. So we're getting close to the place where I'm gonna fly my Mini 2. Just gonna test it and take it up a little bit and just catch some nice vids. So this is a really nice place. It's a bunch of mosquitoes here. That's the only negative. And it's getting later in the evening, and the mosquitoes wakes up early in the morning and late in the evening. But it's really beautiful outside. I'm sweating like hell. It's 20 degrees. The sun is actually pretty strong. We're gonna get some nice days now. It's supposed to be like this for a few days, and that's nice. Then we can do some more hiking. I'm gonna see if I can find a nice place to sit down and take the drone up. The only thing I hope I get with the I had with the Mini 2 now was active track. It can follow with me in the trail here. It's really nice to do, but use what you have. And it's pretty dry outside now, so I don't think it's allowed to grill outside in the woods here in Norway. This is a beautiful little place. I'll turn up the camera. I usually go up here in the winter and my kids are skating on this little lake. It's a really nice place. This winter it was really beautiful here. It was pretty cold this winter, especially for the west coast of Norway. We almost never go under 0 degrees, but this winter we had a couple of weeks with -10. So it's really beautiful and the weather was nice. This is a nice place. So let's find a place to sit down and take up the drone. I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna fly. I wish I could find some kind of top, get a better view. We're gonna see if we can find something, a place where I can fly. Maybe I need to walk a little bit longer, but why not when the weather is like this? And I love to hike. So let's find a place. I've been walking around for 3 km now. It's much better to be outside than inside in this kinds of weather. Let's see if we can find a nice place here. Maybe we can. This looks nice. Let's sit down and relax here a little bit. Look at this view.